Hi guys, this is Big Phil and welcome back to another video. This time, I'm going to be showing you guys everything you get in the box of the Huawei Watch 3 Pro. And I'm going to keep the video short and simple. That's because I've done a video where I explain everything about this watch. So if you want to know everything about the Huawei Watch 3 Pro, then check out the link in the description below. In this video, I'm just going to concentrate on showing you guys what the watch looks like, everything that comes in the box, and how to set it up with your smartphone. Stay tuned to the end. The watch comes in a very beautiful black box, and everything is just very simple. So let's get right in. And yep, that's it guys. The first thing you can see is the Huawei Watch 3 Pro. This is the classic version because it comes in two versions. You have the classic, which is the one right here, and the elite. The only difference between the classic and the elite is the fact that the classic has a leather band, while the elite has a titanium band. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buy the titanium band, then I'm going to use it on this watch. So it's going to be like you're having two in one, because if you have the titanium band and you use it on this watch, it turns into an elite. If you use the silicone band, it is a classic. So you can have the classic and the titanium at the same time. So stay tuned for that video because I'm going to check it out, get it, then do a video about it so we can see how you can create a classic and elite on the same watch. So this is what the watch looks like. Let's put it on the side and check what else comes in the box. Lift it right here. Okay, in here we have the charger. This is a charger, guys, white. Oh, this is nice. Nice weight on it. It feels good. I don't know if I think the charger also is like ceramic. Yeah, it is ceramic. This is not plastic. Wow, this is nice. Now I understand why the price of this watch is $500 US. I'm pretty sure even the charger is one reason why the watch is freaking expensive. This is ceramic. It is not plastic. And what else comes in the box? Let's see. The quick start guides and the warranty cards. Yep, they're all right in here. And I think that's all. So that's everything you get in the box. Everything is right here. And my first impression, even the first time I saw this watch, the first time I did a hands-on was, wow, it's beautiful. This is a gorgeous looking watch. It's premium. The quality is just, wow. It looks good. Especially in this leather band. The classic version, I think it looks really cool, man. Even the leather quality, real genuine leather. It looks good. But the watch is a bit bigger at 48mm for the case. I'm pretty sure it's going to be much bigger to most of you, especially people with smaller wrist. This will be it's going to be huge to those people. But if you're like me or people with big wrist, then this is a great watch, man. The quality on this thing is fantastic. On one side, as you can see right here, there is a microphone, which means you can make calls with this thing. It comes with 22mm band, leather band, which, as I mentioned earlier, there is also the elite version, which has a titanium band. So I'm going to pick up the titanium band, then I use it on this watch. And I'm also going to make a video about it. On the other side, there is a speaker, which means you can listen music from the watch, or you can talk from the watch. You can listen people on the car from this watch. There is also a rotating crown, which is one of the best thing about this watch because it's going to prevent me touching the screen at all time to have a lot of fingerprint and smudges on the screen. It's a watch. You want your watch to always look clean. So having a rotating crown on it, I think is really a good, it's really a game changer. There is also one button on the bottom, which you can also use for other things. But the rotating crown is the main button because it's what you can use to customize everything. You can navigate the watch. Everything can be done with a rotating crown. I'm going to show you guys later more about that. Yeah. But this on the back, that's how it looks like. All the sensors are right here. And one great thing about this watch is the fact that it has a body temperature check. So you can use this to check your temperature, especially now that we live in a time where you have to check your temperature at every time before getting into different places. To turn on the watch, you press and hold the rotating crown. And there we go. Huawei watch. And overall, man, this watch has a premium feel, a premium look. It's beautiful. I mean, like comparing it with my Galaxy Watch 3, what do you guys think? Which one do you guys think looks better? the Galaxy Watch 3 or the Huawei Watch Pro 3. Which one do you guys think looks better? Let me know down in the comment section. If you have to pick between the Galaxy Watch and the Huawei Watch 3 Pro, which one are you going to pick? But I think both of them looks good, but the Huawei Watch looks much better than the Galaxy Watch. It just look, even the leather band that comes with it has better quality than the one from the Galaxy Watch 3. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to scan the QR code. There is a QR code right here, so I'm going to scan it with my smartphone using the camera. And you can use either an iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, yes, you can do the same thing with an iPhone or with a Galaxy or any Android phones. As you can see right here, when you scan it, it gives you this little website. So if I click right here, it will take me to the Huawei website where I can download the Huawei Health app. When you finish install the app, then you get back on it, tap right here. It takes you onto the app right here. Then you click on devices on the bottom, click on add. It's going to scan, and there we go. Huawei Watch 3 Pro, tap on it. The installation process is very simple. It took me about 3 minutes to do everything. I mean, all the installation, everything took about 3 minutes. So it's really fast. And now we are in. This is the first or the default watch face. When you click and hold right here, it takes you to the more watch faces. As you can see right here, there are more watch faces that we can use. Let's use this one. I like this one. And the display is bright. The display is vivid. Man, the resolution on this display is much better than any other smartwatches I've used. I mean, much better than even the Galaxy Watch 3. The display is so good, man. Wow. I mean, I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but the display, oof, is mind-blowing. So these are the watch faces. It comes with 30 pre-installed watch faces. You can even tap here to see more of them. So there are more watch faces. You click on it. For example, give you this one. And the watch faces has a lot of complications. Yeah, which is really good. A lot of complications. Everything that you need, you can have it on your watch face right there. When you slide from the top to the bottom, it brings you all the notification panel, all the quick settings. Like, there is one thing I like about Huawei watches, the screen on. I like it. Now, as you can see, my screen will stay on for 5 minutes without going dark or without going blank, and which is good. In a situation where you want to showcase the watch faces of your watch, or you just want the watch to stay on for like 5 or 20 minutes, you can do that. Huawei watches are the only watches that has that options. I wish other smartwatches had it, because sometimes I want to showcase the main watch faces on the display. I don't want it to go dark or I don't want it to go blank, but you can only do it on Huawei smartwatches. So this is it. When you slide from top to bottom, it gives you things like settings, airplane mode, drain, vibration, screen on, find my phone, do not disturb, flashlight, and alarm. So they're all right there. It lets you know if the watch is connected to NFC, Bluetooth, your battery percentage, the day, and the date. And when you click on the rotating crown, it takes you up to the menus, all the different options, the different apps that are installed on the watch. And another good thing with this watch is the fact that it has an app store, or what we call the app gallery. From here, you can download a lot of stuff and install it on your watch. And when you slide from left to right, it takes you to the music controller, where you can control music, play and pause, skip and reverse. Everything can be done right there. And when you slide from right to left, it takes you to all the health features, like your activities, the heart rate, blood oxygen, and you can add more. You can customize to add other health features, which is nice. So everything is very simple. And when you slide from the bottom to top, it takes you to notifications. If you have messages or notifications, everything's right there. And you can reply everything from the watch. You can make calls from the watch because it has an eSIM. I'd advise you guys to check out the video, my previous video I did about this watch, where I explain everything about this watch. It is a very good video. to let you know exactly what you have when you buy this watch. And yeah, so everything is very simple. You press the rotating crown, it takes you right here. And the nice thing about the rotating crown is the fact that it has a haptic feedback. So whenever you're doing, you can feel it. You know what you're doing exactly. Now let's get into the settings and see what else you got in the settings. The settings you have account, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, network settings, or network. Yeah, because it has an eSIM, so you can set it in here. NFC, watch faces, and launcher. This is where you get all the watch faces. And also you can turn on the always on display, which is nice. And the launcher, you can change either from grid to list. Yeah. What else do we have? Custom typed display and brightness, sound and vibration. Let's see. Let's see the ringtone. Oh, the ringtone is nice. It's nice. It's nice. And AI voice. It's not working right now. So these are the ringtone, or you can mute, vibrate when muted, vibrate for calls. And yep, that's everything. You get notifications, the pin, the apps, the battery. Let's check out the battery, because this watch can go up to 21 days on a single charge, but you have to turn on the ultra long battery life mode. But on a normal usage or the actual usage, you have just 5 days on a single charge. So 21 days on ultra long battery life mode is good. So right now I have 3 days and 17 hours, 2 minutes left, because I have 53%. Yeah. And right here, you can turn on ultra long battery life mode or power consumption, power saving. Let's go back. Oh, come on. All right, let's go back. Security and privacy, accessibility features, download buttons, workout settings, system and update, about. So about, the watch is running on the Harmony OS 2.0, which is right here. Yep. Yeah, so that's everything about this watch. And to be honest, guys, I love it. I love it, one, because of the build quality. It just feel and look premium. It looks like a good luxury watch. Like, check it out. It looks like this, my watch Edifice. It's big, it's beautiful, and it has a nice, good quality. I love it. So the price is $500 and which is a lot of money. $500 is a lot of money, and the watch is a lot of watch also. But if you have the $500 to spend on this thing, I would say go for it, because it is an incredible watch. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on notification for more videos, more great videos coming up on Big Phil TV. Until then, see you into the next one. Peace.